So let's see today's delicious pumpkin recipe, which is super simple and really nice and light and tasty. So now here I've heated up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Now I've washed the pumpkin really well. It's about quarter kilo or 250 grams. Peeled it and cut it into small cubes, even size cubes like this. That way it evenly cooks and cooks easily and quicker. Now to the hot oil, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye. Once they begin to pop a bit, I'm going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Next, I'm going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Now I've got about 3 dried red chilies which I've cut up into smaller pieces, and a few curry leaves, about 5 or 6 curry leaves, and 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Just give this bagar or fortni a little bit of a good fry till the chilies fry a bit. Now I'm going to add the cut up pumpkin and just fry it along with the rest of the spices so that they get coated well with the oil and the spices. Now this pumpkin cooks really fast and it's really nice and delicious. It's one of my favorite veggies. So now that I've mixed the pumpkin well with the rest of the spices, I'm going to put a lid on it and I'm going to just add some water, about 1/4 cup of water to the lid. And we're going to let this simmer or cook on a very low flame for about 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, you'll see that there are some bubbles on the water. So now we're just going to add this hot water to the pumpkin. And this is going to help the pumpkin cook well, and also it's going to give a little bit of a gravy to the pumpkin. It won't be an entirely dry dish, but it won't be a very watery or a dish like a curry. But it'll be a veggie with a little bit of gravy, a thick gravy. And now after adding the water, again I'm going to cover and I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes till the pumpkin is nice and cooked. So you give it a stir, and then if you try to break up any of the pumpkins with the spoon, it just easily breaks up into 2 pieces. So now we know that we can add a little bit of flavor and spices. So I'm going to start by adding half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is not a very spicy vegetable, but if you want to make it a little spicy, you can increase the amount of red chili powder. And now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of homemade goda masala or kala masala. So I'll leave a link of how I prepare this lovely goda masala at home. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jaggery or gur. And I'm going to mix everything well. So we're done with adding all of the ingredients except one, which is the garnish, which will come at the fag end of the recipe. And now again I'm going to cover and cook this for 1 minute. Now I've just got to add a little bit of salt, because of course our food doesn't taste nice without salt. So just a little bit of salt to taste. And again mix everything really nicely. And again we're going to cover and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, because we want the gravy to be a little bit thick like you'll see now. And as you can see now, the pumpkin is also very nicely cooked. It's not very mushy, but it's cooked to the right consistency, and you have this little bit of a thick gravy. So this goes very well with some puris or fulkas or chapatis, or even some amti bhat or dal and rice. This is an amazing side dish or a vegetable. And now I'm just going to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander or cilantro. And that's it, guys. Our lal bhoplyachya bhaji, as we call it in Marathi, or this lovely pumpkin vegetable, is all ready to enjoy. So do give this a try, and I'll catch you soon.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.